Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Chrome and making sure you're signed in because sync saves settings and licenses. Once done, check the browser version via menu right arrow, help right arrow about Chrome so compatibility is known. Now go straight to the Chrome Web Store in the Omnibox, type Web Store and press Enter. This gets you to the marketplace quickly. From there, use the search box to find the extension name or function you need. This is the first actionable step toward installation. You should now evaluate the extension, read its description, check the developer identity, and inspect requested permissions so you understand what it can access. Make sure to review ratings and recent reviews. They signal bugs or privacy issues. When ready, click Add to Chrome and carefully read the permission dialog that appears, accept only if you're comfortable. Once confirmed, Chrome downloads and installs the extension, then pin it to the toolbar so it's immediately accessible for use and quick settings adjustments. You finish by verifying the extension appears in the toolbar. If not, open Chrome //extensions to confirm it's enabled. Once confirmed, configure any options by right-clicking the icon or using Manage Extensions right arrow details so the tool does exactly what you need. Make sure to pin the extension for easy access. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Disable other extensions that may conflict, clear the browser cache, update Chrome, and restart. That sequence resolves most common installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.